Hi, I'm Jeff, and welcome to my custom home wine cellar. So, maybe not yet, but it's going to be a wine cellar. So I'm getting ready to start finishing the basement. I'm going to be doing it a section at a time. I did the shop 8 or 9 years ago. Next I'm getting ready to do the gym, which is right here. I have all my wine storage over here. It's hard to see based on the lighting, but I have a freestanding cellar and then a bunch of wine that's sitting out. So as part of this remodel, I'm going to take this basically unusable space underneath the stairs. I'm going to extend this out a little bit, and then all of this is going to get a vapor barrier, insulation, finish, and then I'm going to put in a unit that will control the temperature and humidity to get it appropriate for wine storage. So it's going to come out this way. My current thinking, and this may evolve, there's going to be a door right here. It has to be an exterior door because of the temperature, humidity control in here. So I got a lot of work to do, but this will hopefully be a fun project, and more importantly than that, at the end, I'm going to have a really nice and effective place to store my wine. So please follow along, enjoy, maybe learn something along the way. I will be certainly learning a lot as I'm doing some things I haven't done before, so thanks for watching.
Bye.